weight loss claims. So, ayan po, tinatawagan ko na si Ma'am Liza Lasa. Good morning, Ma'am.
Hi, good morning. Thank you. Sandali. Thank you, Coach Jane, sa introduction, no? Ito po yung topic natin for today. Do meal replacement shakes works? Examining weight loss claim. Ano ba yung tinatawag natin ng meal replacement? Ano po, sabi, it is normally a shake that has a balanced protein, carbs, and fats with added vitamins and mineral. And as the name suggests, these shakes are created para mag-replace tayo ng meal, whether that be breakfast, lunch, or dinner, or a combination of both. No po? High-protein meal replacement, like our shake in particular, effective po, convenient, nutrient-rich, and can help control hunger while supporting a balanced diet, thus helping us lose weight the right way. Now, mas maintindihan po natin to, no? Let us dig deeper why this low shake work better than typical calorie-restricted diet. But before we proceed, let me introduce myself po. Yan. Next po, yan. Ano ba yung tinatawag na aste? Mali. Go, good morning and thank you, Coach Jane, for the introduction. Okay, ako po si Coach Liza using our healthy breakfast since 2012, not for weight loss alone, but for healthy aging as well. No po? I was nearly retiring from work then and using other products like Nightworks, Lifeline, garlic, vitamins, to name a few, really made me realize, no, that this is what I need in my life after retirement. Before Herbalife, I used to head our treaty unit sa office. Enjoyed my co-work actually, no, my co-employees as my community then, and the company as a whole. But when the day is over, every day, there I feel tired, exhausted sa mga maghapong pag-aasikaso sa unit ko. No po? Kahit I don't treat my work as work. No po? Kasi ganun daw dapat eh. To enjoy work, you don't have to treat it as work. Tunay na napapagod ka naman eh, kahit hindi mo yan sabihin. And I'm so blessed that Herbalife met me kasi I found the solution to my tiredness and exhaustion. Plus, another community, I'll be dealing my life and enjoying it as well then, no? With these changes that Herbalife brought me, I'm pretty sure na may enjoy ko pa ang buhay ko, not for myself alone, but for others who I met and will be meeting in the future. Makatulong sa kanila how to have a better and happy life as a senior citizen, the energetic and happy life. Ano po, di na nitatanong, I'm 67, walang maintenance. Ano po? With these changes, ano po? Yan. So much of me to begin with. The question is how to do meal replacement work for weight loss. Ayan. Next slide po tayo. Ito po, no? There's nothing magical about meal replacement actually, and they're not as bland or boring as food replacement in science fiction may suggest. Today, there are hundreds or more ways na ma-prepare tayo ng meal replacement shakes that taste great and fill you up for hours. Actually, what matters is how you choose and prepare your meal. Nako, yan po sa screen are choices. Sa taas naman ng calorie, sa taas ng mga calorie ng burgers, pag di ka naman nag-worry sa health mo, ewan ko na. Compared to our high-protein healthy milkshakes with all those nutrients and combined in 1 glass or 2 spoons for a meal. Now, on the next slide, ito naman po, ma-learn natin ang 4 science-backed, science-backed benefits of meal replacement shakes. Number 1, they help you maintain a caloric deficit. Losing weight requires a simple, proven principle, consuming fewer calories than you burn. While this sounds straightforward, many people struggle with portion control or tracking their calorie intake consistently. Mas mahirap yung hindi planado. Dito po, bida si meat replacement shake natin, right? However, simply slashing calorie without considering nutritional balance can lead to deficiencies and a negative impact on your health. That's why high-calorie meal replacement are designed to be nutrient-dense and are often fortified with essential vitamins and minerals to ensure you're still meeting your body's needs while cutting back on calories. Ano po, ito po nakakatulong mag-promote ng sustainable weight loss without compromising your overall well-being. Ano po, bantayan natin yung calorie natin. Number 2, they increase your protein intake, helping you feel full. Ano po, protein is the most satiating micronutrients or yung feeling fullness natin. Ano po, meaning that it keeps you feel full longer than the carbohydrates or fat dieting. Ano po, consistently getting the right amount of protein each day is crucial for controlling hunger. Plant and animal-based protein tend to be some of the main ingredients in many meal replacement. Kaya ingat-ingat po tayo sa pagpili ng ating meal replacement. Ano po, meron po tayong mga tips on how protein supports weight loss. Ano po, paano natin malalaman paano ba siya nakakatulong? Number 1, letter A is satiety or yung feeling natin ng fullness. Ano po, protein po helps suppress appetite by reducing hunger hormones like ghrelin while increasing hormones that signal fullness. Ano po? Number 2, yung calorie burn. It has high thermic effect. Yung protein rich natin po, no? Meaning that your body burns more calories digesting protein compared to carbs or fats. Na po, mas maganda yung protein kaysa sa fats po kakainin natin. Na po, ayan, ang letter C naman po is lean body mass. When paired with resistance exercise, mag-exercise po tayo, high protein meal replacement help maintain or build lean muscle which supports that fat loss. No po? Yung muscle tissue natin burns more calories at rest than fat. So, mas maganda talaga ang protein rich. Ano po? Boosting your metabolism over time. Yan. Letter D, hormone regulation. Ano po? Protein stimulates gut hormones that help regulate blood sugar and insulin levels, ultimately aiding in hunger control after eating. Ano po? Now, sa number 3 benefits naman po, they are low glycemic, helping to suppress hunger. Ano po? Ayan. Meaning that they cause a slower, steadier rise in blood sugar. Ano po? Glycemic natin. Kasi po, food with high GI can cause blood sugar to spike, then drop sharply, leaving you feeling tired and hungry pag medyo mataas po. Ano po? In contrast, yung low GI naman po, including many meal replacement shake, release sugar in the body gradually, tutulungan tayo ma-feel natin yung fullness longer. Ano po? Yan. And number 4 naman, they improve eating habits and drive behavioral changes. Kasi po, beyond these nutritional benefits, meal replacement simplify weight management by helping you control your food intake. Ano po, for 1 or 2 meals a day. Yan po yung napo-form natin na habit. Okay? And as studied po, 6 key reasons why meal replacement diet are so effective for weight loss. Number 1, letter A, ang galing naman ng numbering ko po. Sorry naman. Letter A, convenience. Ano po? Preparing healthy meals can be time-consuming. Ano po? Which is common barrier to losing weight. Yung meal replacement po natin, a simple time-saving solution. Madali. Sabi nga ni Coach Janon, hugas, bigas, nawawala na. Hindi tayo magsasaing, hindi tayo maghahain. Ganun po. Yun. Convenience niya. Number 2, increased compliance. Yung meal replacement po natin, reduce temptation to indulge sa unhealthy food, making it easier to stick to your dietary goal. Diba po? Yung kumbaga, sundin natin, mas madali kesa sa kung ano nang iniisip natin. Regular eating pattern. We begin to establish a routine with regular meals that can improve energy levels and prevent excessive hunger. Yung meal replacement po, create and maintain this structure. Na po, nagkakaroon tayo niyan. Pag talaga lagi natin ginagawa, nagiging regular pattern natin yun. Na po, number 4, ayan, accuracy of calorie estimation. It provides a precise, consistent way to meet calorie goals when prepared as recommended. So kung ano po yung nakalagay doon, masobrahan man, at least alam nyo kung ano yung need ninyo. Ano po? Ayan. Quality of food consumed, cutting calories often leads to nutrient deficiencies, no? Yun naman pong ating meal replacement usually fortified with vitamins, no po? Rich siya sa vitamins, mineral, protein, and fiber to help fill those gaps ng pagkagutom. Ano po? Yan. And number 6, positively affect self-monitoring. Ayan, it's easy to monitor, making it simpler to stay accountable. No po, kailangan natin talagang monitor yan para yung goal natin, masunod natin. Now, ang tanong uli sa next slide, are meal replacement shakes healthy? For those struggling to maintain a balanced diet, meal replacement can help improve overall nutrition. Ano po? When combined with healthy eating and regular physical activity, they can be an effective tool for weight management and enhanced diet quality. Yan po, no? Nakakatulong talaga sa ating everyday goal na po, para mas maging healthy, energetic, and beautiful. Ayan. Now, next naman po, isa-show naman natin in the next slide. Ayan, frequently asked questions and concern about weight loss shakes. Ano po, may mga tanong tayo sa shake eh. Kasi talaga marami kayo mamimit na ganyan. Medyo mahal, madaming kontra, ganyan-ganyan. Ano ba yung sasagot natin dito? Number 1, yung tanong ng isa, do meal replacement shakes taste bad? Opo? Ito ang sagot natin. Taste can vary by brand, and some shakes may feel bland or overly artificial, especially if the flavor options are limited to just vanilla or chocolate. And to enhance both flavor and texture, try mixing in fruits, vegetable, nuts, or seeds. Experiment with different shakes, recipes to find combination that works for you. So, yun yung tulong na may bibigay natin sa ating customers. Number 2, are meal replacement shakes worth it? Ano po? Consider yung cost and time it takes to prepare a healthy, nutritious meal. Ano po? Replacement shakes natin offer a cost-effective, convenient option, especially for busy lifestyle. Mga nag-o-office o nagmamadali kung saan man pupunta, anong appointment, ano po. When brought in powder form, a single serving becomes more affordable than the average meal. Factoring or considering the cost of ingredients, preparation, and time. For those on the go, they provide a quick, healthy choice without the need for cooking. Okay? Di ba? Mas madaling ayusin na healthy ka pa. Ayan. Number 3, do meal replacements provide enough energy? Okay? Yes, they do, as they are designed to support weight management and balanced nutrition, typically as partial replacements rather than total replacement for all meals. Pero okay lang din, ano, kapag sobra kang weight mo, pwede naman maghapon, shake ng shake ng shake, walang tigil. Na pa. Number 4, are meal replacement shakes safe for everyone? Yan ang isa sa pinakamaraming tanong ng tao. O, safe ba yan? Safe ba yan? Safe ba yan sa health ko? Okay, may ganito, may ganyan. Yung tanong sa atin. Ano? Now, they are safe for healthy individual when used as directed. Ano po? Those who are pregnant or have specific medical condition should consult a healthcare provider before using them. And if you have dietary restriction or food allergies, be sure to check the label for any allergens or ingredients that may not meet your needs. Many meal replacements offer plant-based options, including soy, non-soy, or vegan alternatives to accommodate various preferences. Okay, now, another question on the next slide. Do Herbalife meal replacements work for weight loss? Po, yan, kasulad yan po. In 2020 daw, may research tayo nag-examine the safety and efficiency of Herbalife high protein and meal replacement for weight management. And their combined data from 9 studies involving 934 participants, 463 in treatment groups and 471 in control groups. And the results showed that participants using high protein products show significantly greater reduction in body weight, body mass index, and fat mass compared to those uncontrolled diet. O, diba? Ang galing-galing. Ang dami. Nag-learn. Ibig sabihin, natulungan tayo ng mga doktor para malaman kung effective ba or safe ba ang ginagamit nating meal replacements ng shake. Ano po? Ayan. And on the next slide, yung may conclusion tayo, sabi nila, ano po, yung high protein meal replacement are effective for weight loss. Meal replacement shakes work better than self-directed weight loss attempts. Ano po, while popular diets make might work for short-term weight loss, in the long run, adherence or commitment will be an issue. Kasi nga, pag hindi mo nilagay sa isip mo, sa puso mo, sa isip at puso mo, yung ginagawa mo, mahirap gawin. Napo, kaya nga minsan nakakamit tayo ng mga tao na mas matindi yung rejection kesa sa acceptance. Napo, so doon may explain natin yung advantages, ano? Kasi if you're looking to achieve and maintain a healthy body weight over the long period with a partial meal replacement diet, it's important to pair with it with balanced nutrition and a healthy active lifestyle. To get a balance or wellness, total wellness, meron po talaga tayong 80% nutrition and 20% exercise. Ano po? Also, yan, social support also goes a long way and it can be helpful to find a motivating community to help with your program. And our BNC community is one place to join and be victorious sa ating goals. Ano po? Itong community na to talagang everyday may learning, natututunan mo kung ano man dapat gawin. Yung akala mo tama ka, mali pala. Especially when we have this doctor na nagsasalita po sa atin, no? Yung mga sakit-sakit natin, hindi natin alam, ganito pala, no? Ang daming natututunan also with those na other speakers, no, na nagbibigay sa atin ng topic na talagang natututunan natin about our health, our social life, everything. Ano po? So, ready to get started? Explore Herbalife meal replacement product and begin your weight loss journey today. Yan. Next. When I say explore, on the screen are various products that will cater to what your body needs inside out. We have been recognized as a super brand in the Philippines with seal of product quality. Ask your coaches for better results. Okay? Ayan, next naman po, super brand tayo because we are #1 in the world in meal replacement and protein supplement combined, weight management and well-being, active lifestyle nutrition. Without hope po mas maraming mag-inspire to shed off those unwanted fats. Good morning po and thank you. Back to you, Coach Jane.
Ayan, thank you po, Coach Liza. Napaka-informative topic about the meal replacement shake po, no? So, you can type po, thank you, Coach, sa napaka-informative topic for today. Thank you po. Salamat po. And thank you everyone sa pag-join po today and sa mga naka-FB Live. So, ayun lamang po ang ating virtual Zoom po ngayon.
Yeah, but congratulations. Thank you so much, Jane. And of course, Liza Girl and Nimna. So, ang gagawin natin, Jane, wait lang ha.